As boys, the 36th Ulster, we were sent out here in the orders of General Haig to support France. As boys, farm labourers, quarrymen, mill-men, Waitchels that tell downright lies about their age to come o'er here to fecht, aye, and maybe die, but you never think of that. Them French soldiers that were to support, they're right trained. See, they do a compulsory national service for 2 years. Germany runs a compulsory service and their boys is rail soldiers. We get a sort of run through. I thought nobody want a guts that lets us down. You can be damn sure of that, you. Don't get me wrong, us boys wants to be here. But I don't. The boys were to face is a deal better Trent and Erts of Kellen than we are. Britain is recruiting like the devil now. They say we're 1 million men in uniform, and we have spirit and a will to put the bush back where they belong. As for Hegians, no, the very top Hegians, they'll hardly ever be as far for it as us, but frontline officers, trench war officers, I doubt the end we get landed away is as little time served at this killing business as us. Rushed through a head for big ideas and nae war a hunt them be chucking them up. You couldn't fault a body for worrying, sure you couldn't. But here we are at the show. For the Boche, as the French call them, was going to take Verdun and break through the French lines. And Hegel, as boys would hit to come to the Somme to take the pressure off Verdun, as he put it. The talk as the artillery is going to flatten the Germans before we ever hit to get near them. And then we're just to read up what's left of them wandering about after that's done and they're to get for the artillery. I wish we could get a start made for this hanging about us telling on everybody. Sure, if we could get this job done, we might be home in time for Sunday coming.